3 reasons why you should save your seeds. Reason numero uno, and perhaps one of many people's favorites, seeds, if you save them yourself, are free! Bonus! And not only that, but you will get lots more of them. The second reason that you should save your seeds is they're stronger. Well, you might be asking yourself, what do I mean by stronger? It's the same seed that I would plant if I bought a packet. Actually, that's incorrect. The seeds that you save from your own plants, if you use them the next year around, will be stronger, meaning that they will withstand colder and warmer temperatures in your particular climate if you save the ones that you grew at your home. Meaning, over time, these seeds will inherit these genetic traits that make them more adaptable to wind, water, and heat conditions. Now that's a real bonus. And the last is quantity, my favorite suggestion. Now, when you go to the store and you buy a packet of seeds, it's maybe $1 to $2 for about 100 seeds. Now, one lettuce plant will get you, and I'm not joking, about 1,000 seeds. So there's some real food for thought. Save your seeds. See you next time.